What will happen to the air that was going to the lungs, that went to the lungs, and how is it going to be utilized by the body? This is actually what we call diffusion. Can I use this? Issue that I can use. Diagram of our lung icon here. So guys, ventilation is from here to here. Now up here, right, the arrow is now pointing from here to the capillary area. So this is now what we call diffusion. Ventilation, ano nga ba yun? How gas goes inside the lungs, in and out of the lungs. Diffusion is actually more we are talking now of this capillary membrane right here. How it's going to be utilized it's going to be utilized by the body. That's what we call diffusion. So the question is how gas gets across the blood-gas barrier. But it's important to take note that babalik na naman tayo sa physics of gas diffusion. Among you here are familiar with the different laws of gases. They are actually one of the most complex forms of physics, of physiology, of human spiritual physiology. So always remember that the gas molecules move always freely. Okay, so they bump to each other. Okay, it's not that the same is also true when they can also dissolve inside of the body. And there is always a kinetic motion of molecules which is responsible for the energy. Whenever there is motion, there is always energy that's needed for diffusion to occur. So remember also that free molecules that are not physically attached to each other cause linear movement at high velocity until they strike other molecules again. Once they strike, nagkakaroon na naman ng mabilis na kinetic or linear movement between each other. They say that according to the kinetic molecular theory, the particles of matter are always in motion, according to physics. Okay? And the volume of individual particles is always approximately zero. So collision within the container wall causes the pressure exerted on the gas. And particles exert no force on each other. So take for example the gas molecule that is inside the container. Wherever they bump to each other, okay, so there are more pressures that are involved. Kasi habang bumabangga sila according to each other, sa isa't isa, lalong tumataas ang pressures.